Hello and welcome to this YouTube community. In today's video, we'll get started with a series that talks about live market analysis with inducements, and we're going to work on with this trading pair AXSUSDT in this video. So all our analysis will be on AXSUSDT for you to understand how this inducement system works. So yeah, before I proceed, you should understand fully well that this tutorial is brought to you by PipSecX, and our WhatsApp number is +234-8055369615. And I am Versatile. I'm your host for today. All right, so let's proceed with AXSUSDT. This video is focusing more on inducements, working on price action, working on liquidity concepts. And if you don't understand what I just mentioned, it means you've not been following the series. So don't check out our previous videos to understand these concepts properly. And if you're ready to learn more, you can do what hit subscribe button and turn on notification bell to be updated once we drop these kind of profitable setups on our YouTube community. Like this video and share with others if you want them to learn too. And join our Telegram community for free setups, trading signals, make profits, make losses, get everything we get into. Same way we trade. All right. Every single trade I take, I mainly drop them on Telegram. So let's check them out together. So yeah, so this is this concept over here. And I'm going to look for inducement model. Remember, I taught you the inducement model, but for recap, this is what we are looking at for inducements. Okay, a lot of people can call different concepts different names, right? But this is what we're looking out for. Right, the segments where we have liquidity over here, market going up, market coming back down here and going up. Right, this is one of the models we're checking for a buy position. And that model we're going to be using here. Okay, let me just show you quickly what I mean by the model we're using. Our other block is somewhere around here. I'll be utilizing this. All right, remember I've explained liquidity models in our previous video, so you can check the previous video out. But if you don't understand it, this recap should be good for you. All right, so you can also have trendline liquidity somewhere around here, market coming back down to the other block and move all the way up. So these are for buy models we're going to be checking in today's video. All right, so we can actually utilize this liquidity concept properly. So let me just draw the money zone area so you can understand it properly. This recap is for those of us that are yet to understand liquidity. But if you already understand liquidity, you will go straight into the charts and explore with me. So in this series, I've given you assignments. Trust me, I've given you assignments. But I want to make sure that you're not just watching my videos, you are learning. Right? Give you assignments, and it's going to be in your best interest to actually participate in the assignments, right? Because we're going to check in several market pairs together in several videos. That's what this is about. Backtesting this method on several videos, on several market pairs in several videos to make sure that we get it properly. All right. So this is the execution method for buy trades I want to be checking in this video. And our sell trades is literally the inverse of it. So when we get a sell opportunity, I'll let you know and then we'll work with that. All right. But if you need the entry model directly, is on our Twitter community. I uploaded this entry model on our Twitter community. You just check our posts on Twitter. You see the entry model that we're working with here. All right, that's X. The link is going to be in the description, so you can check it there. All right. So basically, this is our AXSUSDT. The market is currently somewhere around here. This is a live market. You can clearly see it's counting. And on our trading view, we saw we're looking for a liquidity concept to trade, right? So with liquidity concept, you know the market, we first want to know the direction of the market. The market has been bullish. This is a crypto pair. Market has been bullish, uptrend. I taught you how to do multi-time frame analysis in previous set of videos, so you can check them out. The uptrend, bullish. Then we come to our main trend or our main time frame where we trade, and I mainly trade on the 1 hour time frame. So this is a 1 hour time frame. So assuming market somewhere around here, what was that flow is that the market went up, give us a break of structure to the upside over here. This is the downtrend here. I'm just going to use this example, then I'll take it to the back so I can backtest properly. Right? So this is market over here. Then here, this is the top higher high it formed, or it's higher than this. This is why you have this line here to show you the break of structure. Right? BOS break of structure. Alright, and then since you are showing us fluid that this is a break of structure, we're also observing fluid that we're looking for market to come back to this other block. We are working with this method, remember, other block. But we don't just look for other block directly. First of all, find inducements or areas of liquidity that market can come to take. So basically, we kept on observing the market. Then market came back to form a higher low over here, broke to the upside and formed a higher high. Upon forming this higher high, we're expecting the market to come to this other block somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. You want to use a full order block to market charts, it's cool. Somewhere around here for us to enter a buy position. The market literally works with these levels as an inducement level. You can see it with a double bottom pattern. It cleared the liquidity with this candle. So if people that entered from here with this other block directly, people that entered with this particular other block, let me show you, particular other block, this particular one, would have made the profit that we're looking for that we did not make here. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So there's another block over here, right? You can see this doji candle over here. Like people that entered with that doji candle would have done this long position. They entered from here, they have entered from there. They're also beneath the other block. TP, there's liquidity. They have made a 1 ratio 4.43 move. But since we did not open with this particular other block, right? This particular other block, we're looking for the other block at the very, very bottom. Alright, because we're looking for the other block at the very, very bottom. This is what happened to us. The market came close to us, alright, triggered our other block and didn't move in that direction. Market moved all the way to hit our SL. So this is what usually happens if you actually analyze the market. This is why I'm showing a good example and a bad example at the same time, so that you can prepare your mind as you keep on backtesting that not all trades you're going to win. There's some that hit your SL, alright, but with a good risk reward ratio and like, you're going to succeed. All right, so that's been settled. Let's go back. I'm going to backtesting from which month right now. So let's say we are backtesting from month of September. All right, so I can actually have enough market data to show you. You can see I actually made sure my chart was clean. So when we go into charts, we'll be able to see everything clearly. This is September over here. So I'm actually doing backtest with you live and direct. You can see the market chart is so clean. More like I haven't even checked it too long. Right, so make sure that everybody flows with it easily. So yeah, in the month of September, the market was showing a downtrend movement, downward movement. All right. So in the downtrend, we'll be looking for what exactly? We're looking for break of structures to the downside. So if you're looking for break of structure, I've taught you how to mark out your break of structures and the like in the markets. We're going to be doing that in this video. All right. The market kept on breaking structures to the downside, to the downside, to the downside, and this is what happened. Break over here. There's a break of structure to the downside. There's another break of structure to the downside. Just keep on seeing the market moving downwards because structure to the downside. This break of structure to the downside left a big fair value gap here, left another block here to feed, which we're going to be looking into shortly. All right. So the market later on walked to this level, right? So get to the fair value gap, came back again to this level to get to the fair value gap. And if we're actually working with this level for inducements and likes, would have actually waited for market to come back here, but the market didn't come back here. All right, it just used this double top and then kept on moving. So it actually, what market actually did here was to work with our second entry model, which I don't confuse you with. It actually works with the retracement tool and the Fibonacci and the FVG, pardon, Fibonacci 2 and FVG model. Remember, I taught you this model. So this is what the market actually did. It worked with this model to give us our sell position, which should have milked. But yes, this is not what we're talking about in this video, so I'm going to move in from my charts. So our current model didn't play out, so we continue our life without that trade. We have the market over here, this new high position, this new low. We're expecting the market again to sell. The reason why we're not seeing much trade is because we are moving on a daily time frame, or rather a 1 hour time frame, and I want to make sure that everything works well before we can see a position. So basically, yeah, we saw the market form this high. We saw the market to come back to other block, but it didn't come true. And our other block over here need to have an impulsive move, which I can't really see, so we can't call it another block. So we'll move on without it. All right. So here again, we can see the market over here high. This bottom has its own low, right? And then we observe the market all the way down. The market came back with this same model. I'm just showing you this model here. With this same model, this is the cancel, pardon. Cancel is to actually reduce your arrow order. Cancel is actually to reduce your SL and likes, but that's not what we're working with. This same entry model, it works with this same entry model. Come back to your Fibonacci zone and your fair value gap zone. Okay, it have triggered from here. Your SL short to your SL over here, and your TP targeting the next liquidity level. All right, your TP would targeting this as a TP1, your SL above here. So that have 4.41. But once again, I'm not working with this model. You can see the market kept on working with this model in the trending market and left us out with inducements here. So it didn't work out here for inducements. Then somewhere around here, we observed a change of character. Somewhere around here. Okay, I think somewhere around here. Up, down, up, down. So let's use this aspect to have a very, very high probability change of character. So somewhere around here, we observed a really, really high probability. Some people have gotten a change of character from somewhere here, but we also have a high probability change of character. So we're looking for buy positions now, right? So the buy positions, we'll see the market forming different patterns. Okay, so this is where our new order block is. So now the market, let's use this new high. Okay, I'm trying to move fast so we can clearly see it and try to make sure you understand it well. So these are new high in the market and these are new low. So after getting our new low directly, the market also decided to work with a double bottom over here, which would have not entered directly. Even from that bottom, they would have not entered for a buy because we're not really seeing the proper inducement, except you go to lower time frame and refine. But from this particular time frame that we are looking at right now, you're not seeing it. So what are we going to do? We're not going to trade. Just keep on observing. All right. So the market then went for a higher high move. That's, it broke this particular high. Yeah, this high move. This is the break of particular high. Let me just show you. All right, so we're still looking for bullish move. So this is where our new order block will be somewhere around here. With this method, you will not see many positions, many trading opportunities, and like, but if you are patient enough, you will see some positions. Right, so this is the high, and then the market broke this high with something over here. So this is going to be the new high. Checking, and then a low over here. So now that we have a low, we'll be targeting for more buy opportunities. All right, so you can clearly see how steep this is directly. Many people would have seen opportunities to enter. If you go 15 minutes time, you see opportunities to enter with inducements around here. But since we're not clearly seeing it here, I did not enter. All right, I did not really enter. So here would have been a sniper entry position if market has actually triggered a but was not really clear, so we didn't even take trades. You can see for a while now we've not taken a lot of trades. A lot of traders that have traded these markets, like a lot of traders. These they are trading markets, right? The markets going up and down. I showed the entry models that we're actively working here. Well, I would have not traded this market because I was not seeing opportunities to trade. You understand? Now, moving on, we can clearly see that this is what the market is showing us over here. Market changed character directly, and we started looking for sell moves. All right, with this impulsive move to downside, we look for opportunities. And the market finally decided to ourselves. Let me show you clearly. All right, so this is what the market did. Took out the low, took out the high. Now that was called it change of characters. Let me use this arrow too so I can clearly see it. All right, took out the high, and came back to take out this low. Right, so that called this exchange of character. I was looking for sell signals, sell moves. Right, the market kept on breaking to the downside over here, the downside over here. We're currently October right now. Right, we are working with this model on a higher time frame. You're gonna be patient. Patience is key. Right, somewhere around here, the market has this order block, and we're seeing the order block out. Market formed this inducement level. Let me see. Yeah, this inducement level over here. And the market, what happened, triggered this other block. Finally, our entry model was playing out here, triggered here. Where's our sell position? Short, SL above the other block, TP nearest liquidity, and this are giving us a 1:6.5 RR. It's as clean as that. Remember, we did not even get opportunities to trade since, but waiting patiently for your setup to play out gave us this. So this is our one trade we had so far, and this is the opportunity that will milk to this. So we're going to be waiting for under setup to show, and therefore also work with this properly. All right, so let's keep on checking. So yeah, let's keep on checking. Let's keep on checking. So still checking the markets. Now this is the new high, this is the new low. So the markets, we'll be checking if the market will change character soon, or what is happening in the market will be obvious to us from there. All right, so the market too, from here I can clearly see it didn't break this high until somewhere around here. So it actually took the low, took the high. So we'll call it a change of character somewhere around here. This is a change of character code, and then we start looking for buying positions from here. So since there's a change of character, expect the market to come back to this other block over here. All right, this other block we're looking at, because it's a change of character. Other block over here, this one. Some people are looking at this other block to at the bottom here. So this is one of the other blocks you can look at. Your inducement levels, the levels in using markets to come to this inducement level, and then what the market do? Market came directly to your order block. So if you're trading with this model, let me adjust it to cover the yeah. So if you're trading with this model directly, your buy position would have been somewhere here. All right, your buy position somewhere here. Your TP would have been here. Your SL would have been directly beneath the other block. Now, if you're someone that was trading with tight SL, right? Very, very tight SL, you'd have been stopped out. But if you give your SL a breathing space, your trade a breathing space, right? You can actually enjoy this trade. This would have been 1:4.74 trade soon. You can get clearly see how it's moving. So that's the buy position. And we can clearly see the market is now bullish, all right, from this move over here. You can clearly see, you know whatever you're seeing here. Just focus on what you're seeing here. Market is now bullish. So this is the new high over here. This is low over here on our chart. So what are we waiting for the market to do? Right? I'm waiting for the market to still come back to the low and keep on going up, right? What did the market do? The market actually took up this high and came back to take out this low. Take out this low. Right? So let me show you what I mean by that. This is the low. The low was broken and this high was also broken. So this tells you that okay, the change of character has occurred somewhere around here. So we're looking for sell opportunities now. Some of you might not be patient. What I'm showing you is the interval of days. All right, let me show you what I mean by that. So from here, 25th, 26th of October, 21st of October. So you'd have waited for a week to try to see opportunities in these markets. All right, some people would have used somewhere around here to enter the change of character to try to pick it from the top, but it's all cool. So it totally depends on what you're looking for in the markets. All right, so you would have observed that the market side changing character to the downside, looking for sudden opportunities. So in this change of character, you start looking at these previous order blocks to know where you should draw your zones. So if you drew your zone from here, all right, as your main order block, and then started using something like this as your inducement level, all these places as your inducement level, the market would have stopped you out over here. You'd have hit FSL over here. Question right now is, why did you hit FSL over here? Why not other places? Why did you hit FSL over here? Why targeting the same TP zone? It's because this place is an inducement zone, is an inducement area. You don't call this your order block to trade it. This is your inducement. Why is it called your inducement? Let me delete this other block now. All right, let me break this up and show you. So this is it, the region of equal highs here. This region of equal highs here. All right, and the market usually use this region to take you out. Okay, there was no clear inducement over here, no clear inducement. This place has a clear inducement. This place has a clear inducement. And what do I mean by clear inducement here? So let me show you this now. We are taking your order block from somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here as your order block. Here, you'd have clearly see that the market has this place as an inducement zone, and then your trade would have been more like this. Yeah, the SL directly above this other block. If it was higher above it, we're targeting here for your 1:4, 1:5. You'd have had this trade. But if you had a tight stop loss, once again you'll be taken out. You understand? So the market actually has ways of taking out liquidity. But you can clearly see how this played out. If you had your investment played out, your other block played out, and they're taken out properly, you're able to trade. But if you're someone that works with probabilities, and you want to see how the market plays out, you observe the market's coming down. They have known that since you got hit out here, one RR lost, and you're someone that wants to work with this particular zone again. Right, this for people that believe in probability setups. Right, this particular zone as your next zone to trade with. Okay, I'm just showing you this directly for people that want to work with this kind of concept. Right, they have entered the game for your sell position over here because you feel the market is still bearish. If you check your Fibonacci zone, the market, this is a retracement zone for Fibonacci. You'd have actually still gotten in for your 1:6 move here. This targeting the lowest as well. This is like 1:7. So you lost 1 RR the first time, 1 RR the second time. The third time you made 7 RR. So you're in break even of 5 RR. You get what I mean, right? So you'd have used it as your inducements, your main entry because it had other block. We're not sure if this one played out, so with SL. We're not sure if this one played out with SL. The last one played out, then hits TP. The market's probability. I'm not coming here to show you that you're making 100% of your money. Nah, you're gonna lose some. Like you can even have a losing streak, but just one win with a good RR will cover it all. So yeah, you just keep on checking market. We're currently in November. This video might be too long, but I think it's worth it. All right, so checking market directly, we're still seeing this market, this downtrend. Change of character happens somewhere around here. All right, change of character happens somewhere around here. So after change of character, I'm looking for buy positions. So yes, the market went up and started doing these highs and lows. Let's start from here. All right, highs, low, high, low, low, high, and this is low. All right, so the market continues doing this highs and low. So somewhere around here, all right, you'd have actually picked here as an inducement zone, inducement level, expecting this to induce price to your other block over here, because this is a valid other block I'm working with. Why am I working with this other block? You can clearly see that this other block is a liquidity clearing candle. It cleared all the liquidity over here. Remember, to pick your other block, you should use this concept. I taught you how to pick other blocks. The other block should be the candle with liquidity clearing, right? Clears liquidity. This is A plus setup. Clears liquidity candle. It has valid inducement zones, and then the market came back to work with it, right? So this other block kind of situation, you'd have entered here for a long to click on it here, right? You'd have had your SL beneath your other block. Your TP at the next liquidity, that is your targeting here as a TP. This is like 1/7 trade. But guess what? The market are taking you out. But with the concept of taking partials, this is what would have happened to you. Concept of taking partials, let me show you. If you're someone that take partials, you are taking partial at 1/2, 1/2, where's 1/2, 1/2, taking partial at 1/3, and then let the trade run, right? And if the trade had continued running, it would have come back to hit your SL. Or rather, it will never hit your SL. Your TP, your SL will now be at break even, somewhere around here. So you get this concept. So basically, if you understand how to trade this properly, you know how to trade with it. Just proper money management, proper management of your funds will actually keep you safe. Risk management and the likes. But if you're just trading 1/5, you're just taking 1/5 here. Alright. This inducement, remember, we waited a long time for this trade, like a long time. November 1st down to November 14. Right? November 1st down to November 14, almost 2 weeks. And it's not easy waiting, but if you can wait patiently, you'll see it's paying out. Alright, you see it playing out. So this is under zone. The market came back, broke this place down. Keep on checking. The market continued coming bullish, and then we kept on observing the market. So if you're someone that actually still use this method to enter, you'd have used here. Let me show you. This is under that block here. This is another block here. Other block. This is an inducement here. Inducement level here. All right. So I'm expecting market to do something like this, right? The market. Although some people want to call this like liquidity levels, where market can easily clear you out liquidity and likes. I won't argue with them, right? Because market actually cleared everybody of liquidity. But this is what would have happened to you. You're someone that just traded this kind of concepts, right? We're just trading in these concepts. So you'd have actually entered here for your buy. I hope this is the right one. Yeah, buy. Exactly. I've entered here for your buy. Your SL would have been directly beneath this zone. Why is my SL that big? Okay, your SL would have directly beneath this zone. Alright. Your TP targeting the next place over here. This is the 1/6 move. Alright. But if you are someone that listens to taking partials, you are taking your partial at 1/2. And with 1/2 as your first partial, you close 1/3 of your position and then still leave your SL open. If market comes back to your SL, what happens is that you end up trading break even. I've explained how this concept of taking partials work. If you take partials at 1/2, take 1/3 of your position out of the market and let the other 2/3 run. If the market comes back to it, so you ended up trading break even. So here would have been a clear break even trade, and you'd have not lost anything here. As simple as that. Alright. So this is for this trade. If you had worked with this segment, you would have worked it. People that work with other blocks that have seen other opportunities to trade. Alright, so with that being said, you can keep on observing market for more opportunities to trade and how you can go. So you can see this rapid move to the upside. We didn't really have much time here to actually maximize this. Alright, people who are trading with trade line would have used this opportunity to enter for a trade with trade line, and they'd have kept on making these spots. That's the model we're checking in this video. We're strictly following the model we're checking. So as I'm showing you how it works here. Right? So you'd have missed out several trading opportunities here because you didn't have opportunities to trade here. Until market got to this top. Even here the market still did something, you'd have missed out many opportunities. Then coming over here, you'd have seen a valid zone for you to trade. Because right now the market had this as this other block, and if you take it out, that's clear for you. And then it had this as a valid dismiss zone. So what the market literally did, it came to this zone. Okay, we're getting closer to the current date, and then if you had bought from here, they have actually targeted this zone. So this will be 4.43 profit for you over here. You have done this. Once again, you see as another block, you see as an inducement area, targeted here, this zone, which I showed you earlier on, this WTSL, where you had used this small other block over here, that with your TP. So this is clearly how the market plays out with this inducement levels and the likes. Right, working with this SMC concept, working with inducements, you can actually trade it. So with this concept here, some people will say, oh, this is not inducement, this is just liquidity cap and the likes. Question is it working? Are we backtested this me left and direct? If yes, let's proceed. You can see we had one RR loss here, 4 RR win here, 4 RR win here, break even trade over here, 5 RR win here. We had 7 RR win here. We had a 4 RR win here, 6 RR win here. Which other trade do we take? Do we take any other trade in September? September was a very, very lonely month because we didn't have trades here. So apart from the current trade, September just actually created zones for us to work with in October actually. Right? This is what to work with. So basically, this one didn't even play out in October. October was where the main story started. So basically, this is literally backtest with AXSUSDT, and I believe I will break down this concept for you. If you don't understand how the strategy works, I have a video already on my YouTube community. Check out the inducement video. I might pin it by the time you're watching it. It must have been pinned so I can understand this entry model. In fact, you know what? I'm going to pin the video, but I place it as one of the top videos you can check out because it's literally teaching this model. Because we keep on doing more backtesting this model on more pairs and see how it plays out. Right? I'll be seeing you in the next video. So do want to subscribe to this community if you actually watched this and and gained a lot. Like this video and share it with others. And don't forget, right? My Telegram is well open for free signals and setups to be dropped for you. All right, so just go to my Telegram, ensure I trace. I'll learn materials also on Telegram, learn and go. Follow us on X, link is going to be in the description so you can interact with us properly. We're working on free tech right now, building trading bots, right? So once we keep on updating the community, keep on growing. We have various version of trading bots available. We want to make sure that we keep on improving and improving, make sure everybody is profitable. All right, I'm seeing you next one, champs. Stay blessed. Peace.